In a deep green forest near a quiet river, there lived a poor little bird named Bella. Bella was small, gentle, and hardworking. Bella lived on an old mango tree that stood at the edge of the jungle. Her nest was tiny and weak because she did not have enough twigs and leaves to build a strong home. But Bella had one treasure more precious than anything in the world, her little beetle and full of questions.
Mommy, when will I learn to fly? Soon, my little one. Very soon.
Very soon, my little feather. Very soon.
Every day, Bella flew far away searching for grains, berries, and tiny worms to feed Coco. Sometimes she stayed hungry just so her baby could eat more.
Mommy, the clouds look like giant cotton balls. And that one looks like a dancing elephant.
Their life was simple, but full of love.
However, not every bird in the forest was kind. On the same tree lived a proud crow named Draco. "Look at your broken nest. One strong wind and it will fall apart!" Bella the bird stayed silent. She did not want trouble, but deep inside she worried Draco the crow was right. The wind became colder. The leaves began to shake. "A terrible storm is coming tonight."
Don't be scared.
Hey, it's okay.
Shh, I'm here. We'll be safe.
Hold on, Coco! Coco!
Coco!
Coco! Coco!
My babe. Babe, where are you?
The forest looked completely different from above. Huge trees blocked the sunlight, and strange sounds echoed everywhere. Coco the bird became scared.
Coco! 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 Coco!
The other animals felt sorry for her. "I miss my baby so much." "Don't lose hope. The forest is large, but your baby may still be alive."
Thank you, Oliver. I cannot stop searching. He is all I have. I saw tiny footprints near the dark forest. Please show me. This way, deep into the forest.
My stomach is growling. I haven't eaten since yesterday.
Well, well, well. A lonely little bird.
I want my mommy.
And I want dinner. Come out, little bird. Hours passed. Finally, the fox became tired and walked away. Sighed with relief, but he still felt alone and hungry.
Mommy, please find me. Mommy.
Her heart raced. That was Coco! I have to follow that sound.
So the little bird is still alive.
Coco! Coco!
You will never find your baby.
Move away, Draco!
Why should I help a poor little bird like you? Your weak nest broke exactly like I said.
I won't let you bully me anymore! Maybe I am poor, but I will never stop fighting for my child.
She is so courageous.
I'm coming, my child! Coco!
Mommy!
My baby, I finally found you!
I was so scared, Mommy.
It's okay now, I'm here.
Well, now I have 2 birds for dinner.
You will not touch my son!
Stop right there! What is the meaning of this intrusion?
Yeah, we saw you sneaking around.
This is our forest!
The rabbits, the monkeys, even the deer. They all stood together beside Bella.
Is this a bird trap?
The frightened fox backed away before running deep into the forest.
You saved me, Mommy.
No, my little feather. Love saved us.
Crow Draco watched everything silently from above. For the first time, he felt ashamed of his cruel behavior.
Everyone can change if their heart becomes good.
From that day forward, the animals of the forest became one big family. And every evening, little Coco practiced flying beside his mother under the golden sunset sky. Because no matter how powerful the storm may be, a mother's love is always stronger.